Meatless Mondays, that doesn't always have to mean like full-on health. I personally still need a little bit of indulgence mixed in. So I'm gonna take a spaghetti squash and turn it into some magical noodles. You in? You have to get kind of creative with your vegetables, but for me that's fun. I like doing that. We actually really like spaghetti squash. It's this magical vegetable that you can roast and fluff up with forks and they become noodles. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the spaghetti squash, drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it, coarse salt sprinkle, and then you can actually kind of rub it a little bit. Get the inside. Place the spaghetti squash flesh side down in a roasting pan or baking sheet. Bake it. Getting the kids involved in a spaghetti squash recipe is easy because it's magic and all you have to do is say, come on guys, do you want to take a fork and make magical pasta out of a vegetable? And they're like, no, you're doing so well. Such a good job. Can you fluff those edges? We are gonna add cheese. Not just yet. This is where the finesse comes. First you fluffed, then we're just gonna add a little bit of tomato basil sauce. Pour a little bit from the jar. Add some shredded mozzarella. We're gonna throw it back into the oven and that cheese gets brown and bubbly. The sauce kind of falls down into the noodles and it's ridiculous. It's so good. While the spaghetti squash is back in the oven with the cheese on top, I like to take my little junior gardeners and send them outside with their pinchers and bring in a lot of fresh basil from the garden. Nice job. When you look in the oven and that cheese is singing to you and you start sobbing, you know it's time to take it out and devour it. Meatless Mondays are a good idea for anybody to try out.
Whoa, look how much cheese.
It gives you a chance to get creative with something that you might not think about on a day-to-day basis. I love this recipe. You get creative with something, but you also keep it simple. There's cheese involved, there's tomato basil sauce involved. It's delicious. It's a mom win. Nicely done. Hey YouTubers, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button to follow more simple and healthy recipes.